Let's check in now with Operative meteorologist Maddie Kirker. You're tracking something off to the west that's coming our way, Maddie.
It is, and here's what we're looking at. Get ready for accumulating snow tomorrow morning. This is our storm meter. We go over this every morning, so we just want you to be prepared for what is moving in. Take a look at the weather alerts that we have coming in from the National Weather Service. In the shade of purple you see behind me is a winter weather advisory. This was just issued at around 3:50 this morning, so this is brand new coming in. That includes Franklin County, Delaware County, and the city of Columbus. Now, out to our west, just out towards Dayton and out towards Sydney, we've got a winter storm warning because some of the heaviest of the snowfall is likely to set up just off to our west of our viewing area. What does that mean for us? Well, here is the bottom line for you. I know we get right to it here. 4 to 6 inches will be possible by tomorrow from Bell Fountain up to Marion. So our northwestern corner of the area, highest snowfall totals 2 to 4 inches from Coshocton to Columbus to Newark to Delaware. You can see anywhere between 2 to 4 inches. And honestly, we could pick up a little bit more than that if we get some of that heavy snow, and up to 2 inches with more rain and snow down with our friends in Athens, Chillicothe, Circleville, and New Lexington. Zanesville's kind of right on the line there between that 2 to 4 to up to 2 inches of snowfall. So where is the snow now? Well, today is going to be a nice lull day for us. We're not expecting any snow during the daylight hours. 27 degrees outside with a south wind at 8. And it is a cold start, feeling more like 19. This is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Real quiet for our day today, really. Just a mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures will climb up to the upper 30s. You can see around 3 o'clock today, we should be right around 37. Again, where is that system right now? We are very quiet here across the state of Ohio, but let's slide off to the west, and here we go. This is going to be our next big weather maker. And take a look at northern Texas right now. The Panhandle actually seeing some accumulating snow just off to the north up towards Amarillo. They're really getting pounded with that snowfall this morning. Of course, we're seeing some thunderstorm activity down towards Dallas. But this system will be driving its way off to the north and east and eventually moving into our backyards come tonight, heading into tomorrow morning. Let's get to your hour-by-hour forecast, and we'll show you the timeline of the snow because the timing is not great. You know, this is going to be when most of us are going to be out on the roadways tomorrow morning. Today, we're fine, but as we go through tonight, here comes more of the clouds, and here comes the chances for some snow. We'll stop the clock here at 1 a.m. Snow begins for Chillicothe, Piketon, down towards Circleville. Climbing up to the north it goes around 3 a.m. Heavy snowfall from Chillicothe, Logan, Lancaster, Circleville, and spreading up towards Columbus. That's 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Continuing on into 5 a.m. and look at this. Again, this is heavy, wet snow falling real hard, making low visibility. So it's going to be not the best time to be out there driving tomorrow at this time. Now the snow will kind of begin to move on out of here as we get closer towards about 11 o'clock. And then some warm air begins to fill in on the backside. So it actually fills in with a little bit of rain as we close out the event. And then we'll have some wrap around snow showers as we head into our Wednesday night. Again, here's that weather timeline for you for Wednesday. We will have that snow, the wind, and the cold for the morning. Around lunchtime, snow and that rain-snow mix. Mainly rain showers around the afternoon and back to some snow moving in late. So we could have a little bit more snowfall as we go through Thursday morning as well. Taking a look at our 10-day forecast, you can see it shaded in red there. That is our inconvenient weather day. Nothing more inconvenient than snow coming down really hard at 5 a.m. in the morning when everyone's trying to get to work, trying to get to school, trying to get their errands done if they're older. So again, we are going to be looking at that snow moving through as we go through Wednesday. And then you can see as we head into Thursday, a couple of snowflakes as well. That snow chance goes down to about 30%.